Yeah, I mean, accessibility, where people are. Ikiwezekana, ni vile
we had a tour operator who had brought in visitors from Malindi, and the tour operator is known as Abdul Malik Mohammed. Abdul is the owner of a tour company that is based in Malindi, and he came in to serve us with 4 non-residents, 2 adults and 2 children, plus himself and the driver. Many of these tour operators, sometimes they're the owners of the institutions, and they also act as tour drivers and operators. So in this case, Abdul Malik Mohammed is actually the owner of the tour company called Malik Tour Company, and is based in Malindi. We were able to get hold of this particular gate pass during our routine checks, and from what was on the original copy of the temporary pass, it indicated that a transaction was done through an M-Pesa to the tune, as indicated, to the tune of 815 Kenya shillings instead of 24,902 Kenya shillings. From then, an alarm was raised, and all the procedures were followed by reporting the incident and making a follow-up.